Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can delete your Discord account in 2020, alright? So to do that, just open up the Discord application on your computer, and after that just go down to this one, User Settings, click on that, then go to Edit, click on that, and now you see this one, Delete Account. Click on Delete Account, and if you own a server, you need to transfer the ownership or delete the server. So in order to delete your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. Okay, so to do that, we're just gonna go and click on Escape. We're gonna go to the server and right click, go down to Server Settings, click on Overview. Now we have this left sidebar. If you want to delete the server, you just click on Delete and enter the server name. Alright, if you want to transfer the server, we go to Members, choose the member you want to transfer the ownership to, click on these three dots, click on Transfer Ownership, and transfer ownership to this user. So I acknowledge that by transferring ownership of this server to this user, it officially belongs to them. So check this one and then click on Transfer Ownership. Like that. Now we can go back to User Settings. Click on Edit. Okay, so now go down to this one, Delete Account. So are you sure that you want to delete your account? This will immediately log you out of your account and you will not be able to log in again. If you're sure, enter your password. After that, just click on Delete Account. Okay everyone, so this is how you can delete your Discord account in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below, and also subscribe right here. Check out my latest video right here. I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.